Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two impressive steam mops from Shark, the Shark Steam and Scrub and the Shark SteamPickup SD200 3-in-1. If you are in the market for a powerful chemical-free floor cleaner and you are trying to figure out which model suits your home best, the Shark Steam and Scrub S8201 is a high-performance steam mop built for deep cleaning hard floors. What sets it apart is its dual rotating microfiber pads that spin at 150 revolutions per minute, giving your floor a gentle but thorough scrub while delivering consistent steam. This model is powered by an 1120 watts motor and heats up in just 30 seconds. It offers two steam levels, light and normal, giving you control depending on how dirty your floors are. It comes with a 350 ml water tank, which is easy to refill, an 8-meter power cord for extended reach without having to switch sockets frequently. The mop pads are washable and reusable. This gadget weighs around 4.2 kilograms. It is not the lightest, but it glides smoothly due to the spinning actions. This steam mop is ideal for sealed hard floors, including sealed hardwood, marble, tile, stone, laminate, and vinyl. It is designed for home owners who want sanitizing polished finish without using harsh chemicals. The S8201 is perfect for anyone who wants their floors not just cleaned but polished and refreshed. It is particularly effective in homes that see moderate foot traffic and want to maintain that like new floor finish regularly. Now let's talk about Shark SteamPickup SD200, a highly versatile 3-in-1 cleaning tool that combines steam mopping, dirt pickup, and suction into one single appliance. Unlike the S8201, which focuses purely on deep sanitization, the SD200 also works as a light vacuum, picking up dry debris while steaming. It uses a 1200 watts motor and heats up in about 30 seconds. While it is 500 ml water tank, it holds more water than the S8201, allowing you to clean for longer between refills. The steam is released using a trigger control, which gives you more manual control over when and where steam is applied. It features 3 cleaning modes: steam mop mode, steam and vac mode, and suction only mode, giving it a flexibility that is rare in the steam mop category. The SD200 weighs slightly less at around 3.7 kilograms and has a 6.7 meter cord, which is a little shorter but still suitable for most home layouts. It comes with multi-surface cleaning pads and is suitable for a variety of sealed hard floors, including tiles, laminate, vinyl, and sealed hardwood. However, unlike S8201, it doesn't offer scrubbing or polishing. Its strength lies in the convenience and quick cleaning rather than deep sanitization. This mop is particularly useful for homes with pets, young children, or high daily foot traffic, where the ability to vacuum scrubs and dirt while steaming is a huge time saver. It is great for those who want to clean up after breakfast, steam away muddy paw prints, or just keep the floor looking decent without needing to bring out a separate vacuum and mop. So in terms of the comparison, the Shark S8201 is the better choice if your primary goal is to deeply clean and sanitize your floors with a polishing effect. It is ideal for large floor areas and for households that don't deal with heavy debris but want their floors to look immaculate and bacteria free. The rotating pads means minimal efforts is needed from you. The result is a noticeable shine, especially on sealed hardwood, marbles, and tiles. On the other hand, the Shark SteamPickup SD200 is built for speed, flexibility, and practicality. Its vacuum function makes it ideal for families and pet owners dealing with everyday messes like crumbs, hairs, and dust. It may not polish your floors, but it does a great job of steaming and clearing debris in one pass, saving you time and energy. It works best on everyday floor types like laminate, tile, and vinyl, but can also be used on sealed wood surfaces if needed. Choose the Shark Steam and Scrub if you want powerful sanitizing, a polished finish, and scrub floors without effort. It is best for those who prioritize cleanliness, shine, and germ-free surface, especially in homes with sealed hardwood or stone flooring. But if your priority is fast, everyday cleaning and you want a steam mop that can also pick up dust and debris, go with the Shark SteamPickup SD200. It is ideal for busy homes with kids or pets where convenience matters just as much as cleaning power. This vacuum cleaner deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.